Within the edit menu, guys, you can see you have cut, ripple cut, copy and paste, and the paste insert. They are very easy to use, of course, but I want to draw your attention on how they work with the auto select over here. Let's take a clip here. You can, of course, copy it or Control X, Command X on the Mac to cut it. So now you can paste it somewhere else. Let's go for a simple paste. Let's bring the playhead just over here, and you do Control V or Command V on the Mac, it will paste it. But now it has pasted on the same track where you have cut it. That is because this track has been auto-selected. Let's say you remove the auto-selection, and now it's only V1 that is auto-selected. And notice none of the tracks is targeted here. If you do Control V, you will have a simple overwrite or a paste, if you like, on the lower track that is auto-selected. I will undo this. Now I'll put the selection back on video 2 and use the Control-Shift-V or Command-Shift-V on the Mac, and I will paste insert. So it has inserted your clip back and it has rippled everything on its right. This is because both tracks has been auto-selected. I will undo. If I remove the auto-selection on video 1 and Control-Shift-V, you notice I rippled only the track where the auto-select is on. I will undo until I get back the clip just over here. Now you have the ripple cut. If you come here, you have the ripple cut, which is Control-Shift-X. Now, it's very interesting sometimes to use it, this Control-Shift-X. Okay, you have cut it. You can come over here, for example, and Control-Shift-V or Command-Shift-V on the Mac, and you have paste inserted. So it's pretty useful to use these edit commands here. Come over and train with them. They are pretty simple and pretty nice to use, by the way. I just want to make sure that you have all the tricks and tips, the commands on your fingertips before you start creating your first assignment. Thank you very much, and I will see you in the next lecture.